What's up, YouTube? My last video for the day, man. I've been working on the course, the YouTube growth formula. I got 3 more videos to edit, and the course will be 100% done for this level of where we going. Don't forget, we go live every Sunday and Wednesday, even though I skipped last Wednesday because I was in the Bahamas. It feels so good to live the YouTube life, and I want you guys to be able to live the YouTube life. Anyway, right after this video, I did a search on why my YouTube channel is not growing, because everybody seems like they want to grow this channel. They want to grow their channels, right? That's what everybody want to do. And I found this video. I said, this is a good title. Looking at titles, right? YouTube gurus lying to small creators. How to actually blow up. So don't listen to them because they lying. Listen to this guy, right? So I'm Uncle Mike. I got over 5 YouTube channels. Don't look at how many subscribers I have on this channel. Look at it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell here. But I'm just letting you know that I have a channel that reached over 500,000 subscribers, actually 509,000 subscribers. And we got 4 YouTube videos, channels up. We got 4 channels up, and I actually do YouTube full time. And I have a staff, the Growth Formula staff. We teach and we actually show you step by step what it is you should and should not be doing. And one of the things you got to do is stop guessing. Why guess at all this stuff, man? You should take this more seriously, because this can change your life. It changed mine. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, or stick it in there some kind of way. Give them a thumbs up. And YouTube gurus lying to small creators, how they actually blow up. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Let's check it out.
All right, so I'm going to ruffle a few people's feathers out there, and I don't care, because I want the small channels out there to be able to succeed. And I think there's a lot of advice going out there from the gurus that are actually hurting small channels. It's hurting them getting subscribers. It's hurting them getting watch time. It's hurting their chances of getting monetized. Now, this channel right here, Live Video School, is a newer channel. It's under 9 months old, and we've been able to get monetized in under 90 days. We were able to get to 19,000 subscribers and well over 50,000 watch time hours on this channel. And it's not from following what the gurus are saying that you should do. So you probably want to know, what are those things? I've got 3 of them for you, and I'm not just going to leave it there. I'm going to actually share with you what we've been able to do, and I'm going to share it with you on how you can follow this strategy.
Now, before he gets into it, I just want to tell you, everybody, because this guy could be lying to you too, right? Only thing I'm trying to say is this. Everybody, no matter what, and this is obvious for the world, content, putting up content on a regular basis is going to grow the channel. If you can drop 1 video a week, then you're going to grow at 1 video a week status. 1 video a month, 1 video a month status. If you put up 1 video every day, you're going to grow out 1 video a day status. If you put up 2 videos a day, you're going to grow at 2 video a day status. That's the secret formula. I don't care what they saying. You get a structure, you get yourself clarity, and you get an understanding, and you put together the Uncle Mike's growth formula, so you are able to put up 1 video a day, and that's only the beginning. Guarantee you, your video and your channel will blow up. I don't care what they saying. I don't care what they saying. I know this worked for all my channels, period. Dropping 1 video a day, and I have the formula to do it. Where you don't have to do it every day. I could take a week off, man, and I'm still dropping videos. I got enough videos uploaded. One time we had over 200 videos uploaded on YouTube waiting to be released. That's the #1 secret nobody's telling you. And that's the Uncle Mike's growth formula. Here we go.
All right, so I've got my handy dandy little whiteboard here, and that's a Blue's Clues reference, by the way.
Audience.
And yeah, so we're going to start with some bad advice.
Shorts.
We're going to start with the first one, and that is shorts. Now, let me just say, not all the advice out there is bad, but the ones that are saying to grow your channel to use shorts, yes, I think that's bad advice.
Very
All right,
bad.
so let me explain on the YouTube shorts before I get a whole bunch of hate in the comments from people that love YouTube shorts. If you're trying to build an audience of people that are going to help you get watch time hours, it's not going to be through shorts.
Nope.
All right. The other thing is once you have shorts viewers or subscribers, they're looking for more shorts for the most part. Now, there's going to be a few exceptions here, but I'm here to tell you it's going to be hard to get views from shorts viewers. And a perfect example of this is I have someone that's going through one of our trainings, and she started her channel using shorts, and she has over 8,000 subscribers, and now she's struggling to get 150 to 200 views on her long form videos.
8,000. I got a buddy of mine that called me, and he's saying, yo man, you know, we should partner up. He got 3,000 subscribers. Dude, I'm trying to tell y'all, every short subscriber, you might well say that's a zero. They short freaks. I don't know what to call them. I don't know whatever to say, but I don't know. Oh man, we do shorts. We do a lot of shorts, but we do shorts coming off of our long content information. You can use the shorts to grow the channel, to grow subscribers, or to put awareness out there or whatever, but long content from day one, man, has always been king from day one. TikTok, everybody telling me, if you want to look good in the streets, go to TikTok and get all them. If I was doing TikTok, I would have had 2-3 million subscribers. The numbers are so big with shorts and TikTok and Instagram. The numbers are big, but the payout is small. Which one you want? YouTube is king. Let's go.
But she's got 8,000 subscribers. Doesn't matter. Okay. The problem is they're signing up to get shorts. All right. So the second thing I want to share with you right here is editing for retention, meaning you are going to be editing a video to keep things moving, right? To have sound effects coming in and a whole bunch of text flash up on the screen. We used to do that on our other channel, Brand Creators, which is over 100,000 subscribers, was doing that. Not doing that anymore, okay? And the reason why is it's not necessary, okay? People want more authentic, they want more real, and well, there's ways that you can do this without using graphics, all right? Or sound effects. And I'm gonna give you an example. The beginning of this video, if you go back and watch that, you're gonna see, I came in, a little bit of movement, I've got this, a little whiteboard, I've got things to keep your interest, and I'm also showing up with energy. A lot of people don't realize the energy or the inflection in someone's voice can hold attention. You also have to have a hook that's going to get people to want to stop and watch and listen and all of that stuff. Let me also just throw in here real quick, and this isn't talked about enough. It's not going to matter what's in your video or people that even watch the beginning of your video if you don't get seen anyway. And the way that you're going to get seen is the title. All right. The title is probably the most important thing. And I don't hear people talk about that enough. All right. That's what we focus on. That's how we've been able to grow this channel faster than most. And the reason is because we go after the title, okay, that has a nice strong hook in it, but also that grabs the attention of the algorithm. Now, because people struggle with that, I actually created a resource of 10 of our top titles that I've used on this channel and the other channel. And I'm going to give it to you if you want it. All right. And if you want it, just in the comments, just put hooks, just comment hooks and I'll send it to you. All right. That's where people struggle. But without that, without getting the attention, we're not able to even get the intro. We don't have to worry about any of that stuff. All right. So let's move on. All right. So the last thing, post everywhere. Take that clip that you do. Like, let's say that you do a long form video and let's say it's 15 minutes or it's 30 minutes long. Okay, great. Then you're going to take that and you're going to cut it up and you're going to take an AI tool and you're going to have it chop it all up and it's going to go on TikTok and it's going to go on Instagram and it's going to go on wherever, all of these different platforms. No.
Right.
Okay. And the reason why I'm saying no, can you get traffic from those other channels? Yeah, you could. But here's the problem. You're going to do that and it's going to be a lot of work. And then what's going to happen is you're going to stop wanting to post because you know that you have to shoot the video, then you have to get the video uploaded, then you need to chop it up, then you need to create titles for these other platforms and all of those things. It's going to discourage you because it's a lot of work. So the reason why we've been able to grow this channel so fast is because we're doing videos like this. They don't require a lot of edits, all right? They're pretty much right to the point. They have a good title, a good hook, but we're delivering value in the content that delivers on the promise of the hook. And that's a big one. All right, and there's one more thing that I want to cover here, and that's down here. This is the real secret. This is the thing that has allowed us to grow this channel so quickly, more than most new YouTube channels, which is, like I said, fairly new. And getting to almost 20,000 subscribers in under 9 months, monetization, all of that. Well, it does come down to this right here. T plus T plus H. And I'm going to break it down for you right now very simply. And these are the only three things that I think any new channel should be focusing on. Number one is the title. I talked about that a minute ago. If you want that, like I said, I can get you started with having some really good titles that have some strong hooks that are going to grab your audience attention. Make sure that you put hooks in the comments and I'll send it to you. So the second T is, well, the thumbnail. And again, this is where you might be listening to some of the other gurus and you think you have to have this flashy type of thumbnail, something that's gonna look professional and all of this. No, it's actually the opposite now. You do need to have something that grabs the attention, and there are some strategies that you can use. One of them just being like, have something that is up close, but also minimal amount of text, something that's gonna grab the viewer and get them to, well, think about what is this video about? I'm curious. So a little bit of curiosity. And then the third is the H, and that is your hook. That is your intro hook. So like I said, go back and watch the beginning of this one. You'll see how I started with something that what we call opened a loop that you wanted to have closed, meaning you wanted to know what are those three things. That was intentional. It's not hard. It's just you have to be intentional about hooking the viewer so they want to keep watching. I mean, let's face it. We don't want a boring video that we got to hear someone that's just going to ramble. We want someone to get right to the point. But like I said, that's the big secret. That's the real secret. T plus H. Write that one down. Title, thumbnail, hook. Now, let me just bring it back to what I talked about earlier. None of this really matters unless you get views, right? Unless you get attention. And it does start with that title. And like I said, I've got that free resource for you if you want it. But also, I shot a video right here that breaks down those 10 titles, and I give you multiple examples in multiple niches that you can use them and how to use them. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.
He's right. Titles, when people search for your title, you want it to be searchable. Keywords, look, man, all the keywords and all that good stuff these days, they good to have, good to know, and good to understand. But that is not people. I think the algorithm and the title and the thumbnail and all this stuff, everybody is getting into all this stuff, and you forgetting the one thing: the people. If you speak and talk to the people, they're gonna like your channel. You need to start building a relationship with the people. Nobody's talking about that. The algorithm, guess what? The algorithm is the people. Because the more people that stay and watch your videos, the more the algorithm will say, oh, I need to find more people like this that's gonna stop watch the videos. If you want to know what I did to hit the 1,000 subscribers, if you really want to focus on that, then watch this video right here. I'm going to get on up out of here. Y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell them Uncle Mike told you so. Peace out.